Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to enroll ThriveCart Learn user for Facebook Lead Ads lead. So I am an owner of a business in which I sell online courses to my students. I promote my online courses with the help of Facebook Lead Ads and I manage all my online courses with the help of ThriveCart Learn. Here what I want is that as soon as any of the potential students, a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook Lead Ads for my online courses. I want to enroll that potential student, that lead, as a user in my ThriveCart Learn account course that I've created. Now creating these enrollments manually is very time consuming. So what I've done is I've simply automated this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. And here in this automation, I'm going to build a connection between Facebook Lead Ads and ThriveCart Learn with the help of it. So if you also want to learn about this amazing automation process step by step, for that let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to enroll ThriveCart Learn user for Facebook Lead Ads lead. So as a business owner offering online courses, I use Facebook Lead Ads to capture potential students' details when they show interest in my courses. And I use ThriveCart Learn to host and manage my courses, providing a seamless learning experience. So by automating the connection between Facebook Lead Ads and ThriveCart Learn, every new lead that is instantly generated with the help of Facebook Lead Ads is instantly enrolled to the course that I've created in my ThriveCart Learn account. This ensures that interested students gain immediate access to their free course, making the process smooth, efficient, and conversation-friendly. And I'm going to create this amazing automation between Facebook Lead Ads and ThriveCart Learn with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the products that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button right here. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as Enroll ThriveCart Learn User for Facebook Lead Ads Lead. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow, okay? After that, over here, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I have created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down. These are the folders from which I'm going to select Facebook Lead Ads Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving the name to the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on this Create button in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Enroll ThriveCart Learn User for Facebook Lead Ads Lead, and you can see over here there are two windows in front of you. One says Trigger, other says Action. So what's Trigger and Action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two principles. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means what is action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Facebook Lead Ads. As with the help of Facebook Lead Ads, I'm promoting my online courses that I sell in my business. I want that as soon as by the potential student, a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook Lead Ads, I want trigger over here should capture the response of the lead's details. That is why for my trigger application, I have selected it as Facebook Lead Ads, and for the trigger event, I'm going to select it as New Lead Instant. After selecting the trigger application and the event, I'm going to click on this Connect button in order to connect Facebook Lead Ads to Pabbly Connect. After doing that, a window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on Add New Connection, or else you can select the existing connection that you already have. Now over here it says connect with Facebook Lead Ads. Before clicking on this button right over here, log into your Facebook account on a new tab so that you can build a connection between Facebook Lead Ads and Pabbly Connect much easier, okay? So as I've already logged in, I'm going to click on this button right over here. As I've done that, you can see over here Facebook Lead Ads has now been successfully authorized with Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for us to select the page and the lead gen form. So for the page, I have created a page in my Facebook account in the name of Spark Success Coaching, and I'm going to be promoting my Facebook lead ads with the help of this page. So what I'm going to do is, for the page over here, I'm going to search for Spark Success Coaching. So this is the page over here. I'm going to select this page right over here, okay? After selecting the page over here, it is asking for us to select a lead gen form. So I've created a lead ads form with the name of course registration form. With the help of this form, I'm collecting my leads data. So for the lead gen form, I'm going to select it as course registration form. After selecting the page and the form, if I'm going to scroll down over here, it says simple response. So over in the trigger, you want the simple response, you have to toggle this button on right over here. I need the simple format, so I'm going to toggle the button on over here, okay? And then I'm going to click on this save and send test request button given over here. As I'm going to do that over here, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead with the help of Facebook lead ads. And after generating the test lead, I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the test lead being generated or not. Now to generate the test lead with the help of Facebook lead ads, open your Meta's lead ad testing tool. With the help of this tool, we can generate the test lead for our Facebook lead ads, okay? It is asking for us to select the page and the form. So we're going to select the same page that was in the name of Spark Success Coaching, and for the form as course registration form. Then I'm going to click on this preview form button right here. As we're going to click on preview form, this form is then going to appear in front of you, and using this form, we're going to generate the test lead. Over here, it is asking for the first name, last name, email, phone number, city, and the postal code of our leads details. So we're going to fill in the dummy details right here. Firstly, it is asking for the first name. So for the first name over here, I'm going to write it as Smart. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as Account 5. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as smartaccount5@pabblytudes.com. This is the email over here. For the phone number, I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number right here. After that, for the city over here, I'm going to write it as Bhopal. And for the postal code, firstly, I'm going to select the country as India right here. After selecting the country, for the postal code over here, I'm going to write in a dummy postal code. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to do the test submission. Over here it says you successfully registered. This means the test lead has now been generated. As now the test lead is generated, I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down. And yes, you can see over here, the response of the test lead being generated has been captured over here. First name as Smart, last name as Account 5, email as smartaccount5@pabblytudes.com with a dummy mobile number, city as Bhopal, postal code a dummy postal code with the created date and time of the lead. As now the response of the lead being generated has been captured in our trigger, this means that Facebook lead ads has now been successfully connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. My objective is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook lead ads, automatically that lead should be enrolled to the ThriveCart Learn course that I've created. Now for that, we're going to set up our action step. And for the action application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as ThriveCart Learn. And for the action event, I'm going to select it as Create New Student. Then I'm going to click on this Connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you. On which click on Add New Connection, or else you can select the existing connection that you have. After that, over here it is asking for us to give the token. Using this token, we are going to build the connection between ThriveCart Learn Plus and Pabbly Connect. To have the token, I'm going to click on this API and Webhook button right over here. As I'm going to do that, I'm going to land towards the API and Webhooks page of my ThriveCart Learn account. And over here in the option, it says API keys. Click on this view setting button right over here. It says create API key. I'm going to click on this button. It is asking for the key name. So for the key name over here, I'm going to write it as New Student Created. I'm going to click on this Create API Key button right over here, and you can see a key is created. I'm going to copy it from here and paste this token right here and click on this Save button right over here. As I've done that, you can see ThriveCart Learn has now been connected to Pabbly Connect. After connecting, it is asking for all these details with the help of which we are going to create and enroll a student in our ThriveCart account. Over here, it is asking for the student's email address. So for the data of this field, what we're going to do is we're going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how it works is that as soon as I'm going to click on it, this was the previous step. And as I'm going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step of our student. And I want to create this potential student that was our lead as a student in my ThriveCart Learn account. It is asking for the email address of our student that we want to create. So this is the lead and I want to create this lead as a student. So I'm going to select the data of the email address of my lead from my previous response. As I selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I have mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. It is asking for the course ID. For getting the course ID, you have to open your ThriveCart Learn account. So this is my ThriveCart Learn account. You can see right over here. And over here, I want to enroll the lead in this course in the name of Java Course for Beginners. So I'm going to click on the edit page over here of this course right over here. As I'm going to come to the edit page of this course, that is Java Course for Beginners, you can see over here in the URL next to this edit slash, this is the course ID. So I'm going to copy this ID from here and paste this ID right over here. Okay. After that, it is asking for the name of our student. I'm going to map the data of the first name, space the last name of my student. It is asking for the tags, order ID, purchase type, purchase ID, and the email notifications. I do not want all these fields, so I'm going to skip the part and simply I'm going to click on this save and send test request button right over here. As I've done that, we have received a response which is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my ThriveCart Learn account. I'm going to go back to the main page of my ThriveCart Learn account. So this is the page, and over here into my students section, you can see over here a new student in the name of Smart Account 5 has been successfully added. I'm going to view the profile. The name is Smart Account 5, email is smartaccount5@pabblytunes.com, is enrolled to the course Java Course for Beginners. Okay. As now the lead is successfully enrolled to the course in my ThriveCart Learn account, this means that we have successfully created an automation between Facebook Lead Ads and ThriveCart Learn with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a business who sells online courses to students. With the help of Facebook Lead Ads, I promote my online courses, and using ThriveCart Learn Plus, I manage all my online courses. Here what I want is over here for the trigger, I've selected as Facebook Lead Ads new lead instant, as whenever by the potential student a new lead is going to be generated using Facebook Lead Ads, the trigger over here is going to capture the response of the leads details. Now using the leads details, using this action step, that is ThriveCart Learn Plus create new student, automatically this lead is going to be created as a student and enrolled to the course in my ThriveCart Learn account. And with Pabbly Connect, I've built the connection between these two applications in this manner. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.